Welcome to EasyBilling tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss the quick export feature. In the document and report windows of EasyBilling, you'll find a quick export button at the top of the screen. This quick export button allows you to export documents or reports to a specified folder in your chosen format, such as PDF, HTML, or Excel. It can save you significant time and effort. To use the quick export button, you first need to set it up. From the main screen, click on the menu settings and choose Quick Export Settings. In the pop-up dialog, you can specify the output folder where the exported document or report will be saved. You can also choose the file type for the output, PDF, HTML, or Excel. Additionally, you can decide whether to overwrite an existing file or save a new copy, if the exported file already exists. After making your settings, click the Save button to apply them. Now you can use the Quick Export button in the document or report. With just one click, your document or report will be exported to the selected folder. Thank you for watching this EasyBilling tutorial on the Quick Export feature. We hope you found this feature helpful.